as you all know that we have our examination now from 25th to 27th of July, right? That's like exactly 25 days are there in your hand, or we can say 3 weeks are there in your hand in total, because yeah. So the examination dates are 25 to 27 July, and most probably your life sciences will be on 25th only, right? 99.9% chances, because the very first subject that is taken into consideration is life science, because we have the highest number of students in this. So from 25th, or just consider that your examination is on 25th only, you'll get your admit cards and maybe new city intimation slip very soon, because they have changed the entire timing. So there are chances that they might change the, or they might shuffle up the examination centers as well. So let's wait for the CSIR to officially write down, give the main information related to the same, right? So let's discuss about what should be your main target while these last 25 days that we have. Very first thing, you should not deviate your focus. It's just a month, like because initially the examination was supposed to be on from 25th to 27th June. Now it's in July. If the condition would have worsened, there might have been chances that you might get it in 2 months or 3 months. So you should be thankful that it's just a 1 month postponement. It will not affect your, like, because of just 1 month, December cycle will also not get impacted, and you will not have any other problems also, right? So 25 to 27 is your examination. What are the things that you should be focusing upon? Very first thing is, if you feel like that your syllabus is like complete from length to breadth, I would suggest you target at least two revisions. At least two revisions should be targeted in this particular time, because 24 days are there in your hand. And if you take a break off, like if you rest down for some time also, exactly 3 weeks are there, so you can target two revisions very very easily. You have that much amount of time, because the examination is like 24 days are there, and you have already uh, revised everything, and everything was already summed up from your end. So using these last 24 days, you should focus upon more revisions, because the more you revise, the better result you're going to get, right? So revise as much as you can and target out at least two more revisions. One of the revision could be very deep and properly focused, and the second revision could be a quick revision of the pointers, right? Second thing that you can focus upon is mock test. I would highly recommend students to go for the mock test. If you want to take it from some other platform, please go and take. If you want to take it from our end, we have mock test available on our application. You can take that as well. So whatever is comfortable to you, take the mock test. Like no matter from where you take it, my suggestion is take mock test and try giving as many, try putting up as many questions as possible, because mock tests help you to have a structured timeline pattern in your head. Mock tests help you out to have a proper structure, time management in your head. So please make sure that you are revising and you are giving the mock tests as well. Okay, for second thing. Third thing should be focusing upon now, because see, some students would say that ma'am, our even revision is very very strong. Then there would be something or the other, some or the other topic which you might have left during your preparation time because of lack of timing or whatever could be the reason. Try adding on those topics if possible. For example, even while you're revising the previous year question papers, whenever you was practicing out the previous year question papers, you might have like observed few topics from which the questions got asked from completely off track. For example, there was a concept asked in the recent paper related to the dirigent proteins, right? Related to the P bodies. And there was a concept asked in the last year in the December 2023 paper related to the tmRNA. So all these are a bit diverged topic from your mainstream syllabus. So try reading a bit more about it, try searching out a bit more about it, and try to work on these topics, right? Because it will just help you to enhance your knowledge, and it will just help you to enhance your preparation on the holistic end, right? Fourth thing is previous year question papers. If you have solved the previous year question papers previously, very good. If you haven't solved them, please solve the previous year question papers. And if you have completed all the papers from length to breadth, I would suggest you revise those previous year question papers, because previous year questions do get repeated. The format of question might change, the way the question is asked might change, but the question topic remains similar in most of them. For example, in the recent years, related to the hemoglobin, the question is getting asked very, very frequently, related to the structure, degradation, functionality, or transportation. So all these things are getting repeated in the examination. So I would suggest you to focus upon revising these previous year questions, and you can also like use the back induction method. That is, take one previous year question paper, revise that paper in half a day, like 3 to 4 hours, revise that paper from length to breadth. Now the revision could be, or it depends upon your choice. First choice is you can solve that paper all and over again, and second, and then analyze your score. On the other hand, if you have like done it 2 to 3 times already, take up that paper, read the question, revise the answer, and keep a conceptual clarity in your head that okay, this is the question, this is the answer, and this is the reason for the answer, right? So whatever way is suitable to you, you can do it that way, but revise the previous year question papers. Because these last few, I'm getting a lot of messages from the students that we are not able to focus upon the preparation anymore. I completely understand that, but you have to focus, or you have to make sure that you are learning, or that you are like utilizing these last few days. Because uh, if you get like lenient at this particular time, it might backfire you. Let the circumstances not impact you to a level that your final result is getting impacted. Just consider it a second chance from the CSIR, that they're giving you an additional month for revising. So these are the main things that I could suggest you from my end. First is go for the syllabus revision, add on few topics if required. If you feel like that you want to add on few more topics, give as many mock tests as possible. If you want to have the mock test from our end, so on our application the mock test series is available, and for old students we have a discount, so you can WhatsApp me, I'll help you out with the discount and everything. I guess Daisy has already taken up, so others also, if you want, you can take it. Then try adding on new topics. And last is the previous year question papers. Revise the previous year question papers with the best of your ability, at least like from December 2023 till your June 2019. Use at least these many papers. Your main focus should be December 2023, June 2023, then the previous 2 years, that is June 2022 and 2021, and November 2020, both the shifts. So you should be focusing majorly upon these. If your time allows, or if you get more time, you can go for the June 2019 as well, right? So focus upon these questions, these papers, and try solving them out in the most detailed manner, because you have time. There is no point just sitting, and you might even start to forget the facts after a few days, because if you don't revise a thing for a week, it might get like flushed off from your head. So it's better to revise the things all and over again, the entire syllabus, mock test, new topics, and then the previous year question paper revision. You can take up the previous year question papers in the mock test format as well, but do not skip the previous year question papers at any cost. is everything clear to everyone?